Now, I love Pinterest. I love all things clean and minimalistic, but my budget does not allow for any sort of storage containers right now. So these are some ways that I've gotten creative and used what I had on hand to make some free and aesthetically beautiful organization solutions. Most of the storage solutions that I've shown you involve inverting boxes. Now, it's important to pick a very specific type of box. You'll notice here that this box, it has tabs right there that I'm pointing out to you. And those tabs are what allow you to invert the box to keep the same shape that it was before. Now, this box has that double layer on both sides, but the really good ones, and unfortunately they are very rare to find, is the ones that have that overlap on all four sides. Now, if you do find those boxes, snatch them up. Costco frequently has the two-sided boxes, but if you do find the four-sided boxes, snatch them up at Costco. They don't care if you take boxes. They give them to you anyway when you check out. Now here I'm going to show you one of the four-sided boxes that I got, and I use this to corral all of my sauces and dressings, and it also serves as kind of like a pull-out drawer in my cabinet. Now if you notice that shine over there, that's showing you the reflection, and that's like a plastic coating almost on that box. And it's great because if any of my sauces leak, I don't have to worry about it getting on my cabinets. I could just wipe it off. Now here's another example of some cardboard boxes that I use. And these are just shoe boxes that I inverted and used to store stuff. These are really sturdy, and you can see from the outside they're aesthetically beautiful as well. I've had these for years. I actually prefer these kinds of boxes. These ones here, my son and my husband wear athletic shoes, and this is, ooh, this box is heavy. This is, Asics. This is where I keep my tools, and it's just so easy to remove because of this finger holding here. I love it. This free. Now this box here I got from Ikea, and it's not as flimsy or not as strong. It's actually pretty flimsy compared to the shoe boxes, so I highly recommend you use shoe boxes. And I just wanted to point out this box here. This is a box that came with my son's helmet. Got a little overexcited there, and it makes for a really nice pull-out drawer, and I can double stack boxes. So all of that free is awesome. So I'm here in the office, and you can see I've done the same trick for these three boxes. I just put simple labels on those. I may make some prettier labels later on, but these are awesome, again with that finger holding, and it just looks so clean and minimalistic. These are some Ikea boxes that I got. Again, not as sturdy as these other boxes that I'm using for storage. Very clean, very minimalistic. Another example of how I use boxes to organize. This is how I keep my towels in this inverted Italian dressing box that I got from Costco. And it just fits perfectly in my drawer, and it corrals all my towels so they don't get all unruly. And you can see here I used some folders that my son was no longer using for school, and I just kind of rolled them up to make them thicker, and then cut them and arrange them in this matrix so that I could corral and organize all of our wires. And then here I got really fancy. This is my pantry, and these two boxes I made just by covering some really sturdy diaper boxes. And the fabric that I used, I had on hand, but you can buy any sort of clearance fabrics. You can even get creative and use old sheets or pillowcases and make your own covered box. Now this box I just found beautiful as it was. This came with one of those essential oil kits that I had bought a while ago, and I thought this box is too beautiful to recycle, so I use it to corral items on my kitchen countertop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Like and subscribe if you did. It really helps me to motivate me to build new content when you guys like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.